Hey everyone, in this video I want to share a feature I've been using on my Sony ZV-E1 as well as on my Sony A7R Mark V. And that has been a real game changer for my workflow. And that is tracking on toggle function for video recording. It's a really handy tool that lets you lock on to one subject to another and keep it in focus even if it's moving. This special function will work on any current Sony mirrorless cameras. And I've been using lenses with a side programmable button, which makes things even more convenient. I've included affiliate links below. If you purchase through them, I'll receive a small thank you commission. Alright, let's begin setting it up. Turn on the camera, press the menu button, navigate down to the setup icon. Within the setup menu, go down to dial customize group. Note, I'm going to use the side button of this lens to toggle the function. Within that group, select custom key dial settings for movie recording. It's the second one. Okay. Here you can choose whatever key or dial that you want. I'm going to choose the side button of the lens to activate the function. Press to select once, then press it again. Now navigate down to focus area. There you can see tracking on and tracking on toggle. For tracking on, I will also show you that later. But the main feature here is the tracking on toggle. And it's now assigned to the button. And now you're pretty much ready to go. Before heading out to the park for real testing, first let me demo how this works using this toy model. There are two types of focusing frame when shooting with this function. The first one is center fix. Here I could choose which part of the body I want to lock on and focus. That is just by centering the framing guide and pressing and releasing the side button to lock it on. This may remind you of touch focusing, but the difference is how much easier and faster it is. With touch focusing, you have to tap on the LCD screen to set your subject, which can take a moment and might even cause the camera to shake. Moreover, in more common situations, the subject is likely to move. When I get outside and shoot those birds, it'll make more sense. Now let's have a look at the second type of focusing frame that can be used with this function. That is zone. And as you could see, you get a larger framing guide. The practical use here is to track subjects that move unpredictably within a broader area. In addition, if a fast-moving subject passes by and you just want to capture it, regardless of which part of the body is in focus, the zone focus area ensures you can quickly lock onto the subject without worrying about precise positioning. Now let's have a look at the tracking on function. By selecting tracking on for your custom settings, you'll need to press and hold to use the function. Let's have a look. As you could see, when you release the button, it will no longer track. You would have to press and hold the button to initiate it again. So my go-to here is tracking on toggle function. And of course, you can still use touch focusing while using the function. Alright, here we go, outside. Check out these birds, American coots. Let's say I want to quickly switch focus to another coot. It's super easy. Just center the new subject in the frame and press the side lens button. That's it, and the camera takes care of the rest. It does add a level of precision and convenience that is hard to beat. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. I should be using zone focus area here, but as you could see, center fix seems to work just perfectly fine. Anyway, that's all I have. Just want to say thank you for watching.